Hey guys, it's Ron. How you doing? Hey, today I want to talk about AI. Um, Most of my audience is younger, so this is not gonna be news to you. You guys are probably using this every day in your everyday lives. But for the people out there that don't know much about AI, this is for you. So here we have Google Gemini. And it's a free site. It will basically tell you anything you want to know. Generate all kinds of images. Here I need help with my computer not booting. And it gives you a list of diagnosing different problems and try and troubleshoot it on your own. But where I really like this is in the image creation, and that's what I really like. So here we're gonna do something here. We're gonna ask Gemini, upload a file. This is a picture, a photo I took of my computer workstation 21 years ago. So I already have my prompt selection. You have to tell the computer what you want it to do. I have it prepared already. So I put Arnold Schwarzenegger sitting in the chair, working on the computer. He is typing. He has dark sunglasses on. There's a bottle of tequila on the desk. Everything looks so real. So we're going to submit this. There's a before picture. After here. Sometimes it makes bugs. They're not 100% accurate. Yeah, it turned out really good. Big bottle of tequila. No PDA. So once you find one you like, it's going to be watermarked. So you can download this and save your copy to your drive. I want to show you how to bring these to life by having him actually typing on the computer, windows changing, taking a mouthful of tequila, and even the perfection will show up in the PDA here. It's pretty cool. I'll show you some I did already before I do the video creation. And that's with another site. This is free too. You can upgrade to upgrade, but I find the free version is fine for me. So let's go and check out the images. So here's an image I took about 3 years ago. There was headstones everywhere and just white trees. So I asked Gemini to remove the tombstones and keep the trees green and snow covered, and that's what I did. Here's what it looked like before, but I had Gemini remove all the tombstones. So this is Freddie Mercury. Look at this. Look at this. It's even picking up in the PDA screen. This is done with Kling. I'll show you what Kling is about in a few minutes here. I'm supposed to sit at my desk, at my current desk. Freddie Mercury. Cheers. I especially love Pepsi. Pepsi and Gatorade. Some, I think, whiskey. Tom Cruise. Yeah, Tom Cruise is there. And this, I have no idea who this is. Okay, let's go over to Kling. I'll show you what Kling's all about. Okay, this is Kling. One thing, I'll show you what some stuff you can do here. These are different projects that people have uploaded, and I'll show you them off. And you can recreate these too. But one thing, real important thing, guys, and I stress this is very important. When you sign up for any AI site, you have to read the terms of use. If you sign up on a site that says money back guarantee, 100% guaranteed, read the terms of use. A lot of sites, what they're doing is they say yes, you can ask for a refund, but it must be within 24 hours of your purchase. And if you refund after that deadline, you're going to be billed $299 or $200 to your Visa card or PayPal or whatever. And you can't fight them because you didn't read the terms of use. It said in there, you agreed that if you didn't ask for a refund within 24 hours, you have to pay this large amount. So that's really important doing that. So stick to well-known AI sites like Kling, this is Kling, and Sora. And that's the only way to really protect yourself. If you want to try other sites, make sure you read the fine print. It's very important. So here we're on Kling. I'll show you what I do with Kling. I made these videos here, and what I do here, like let's make one of this Arnold one. Download this. Open it. Okay, so I have Arnold Schwarzenegger. So I have and those are okay, man is typing on keyboard. Windows are changing as he works. He drinks from the bottle on the desk. So let's generate this. So you can go 10 seconds, which goes 50 credits. You can buy credits to make videos, or you can go with a subscription. I pay $12 a month for my subscription, and it's well worth it because I use Kling for my YouTube video thumbnails. It helps me with thumbnails. So let's get back to this video here. We're going to crank this in at 5 seconds. It takes sometimes a little while to get going. Up here is your credits, how many credits you have left. Let's generate 25 credits and see what happens here. If it takes a while, I'll speed it up so you won't have to wait. One minute. It looks pretty cool. Here are some other projects I did. And I showed you these before. Here's some other ones here. Putin. Those watches. So my friend of mine. Birds. Here, Captain Picard is saying, "This make it so." Sometimes they don't really come back as realistic as you want them to be. Like, that's not Captain Picard. That's not Captain Picard. That's not Riker. This one turned out pretty good. Captain Picard, you know, on this TV series, when he gets his Earl Grey tea, I spelled it wrong. It's supposed to be Earl Grey in this urn. So he's drinking his long-lost buddy. Anyways, that's just an overview of what's happening with AI and what you can do. If you found the video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.